So watu wengi wana mess sana kwa easy endpoints, okay? So there's no way I'll take my time to analyze the market for you. Then all of a sudden you just mess up on the entry, okay? So entry inakuanga very hard. That's the fact, okay? So because you'll find that most of you guys wanajonga kwa analyze market, but when it comes to the endpoint, hapo ndio unashindwa, okay? So watch this video. Nataka nikupe endpoints zote tatu. I'm not going to trade, but I'm going to ensure that I explain everything in details. Okay, so in the first scenario, we're going to look at the, or maybe we're going to check on the over 3 market, okay? So angalia hii market, So nilikuwa nimekuambia trade on market here, 51s, the over 3 market. The endpoints were either digit 0, 1 or 2, okay? So that is the main thing that you need to check right here, okay? So in market ilikuwa nimesha think 11:29 p.m. That is the yesterday, okay? So it means that I can't trade on such a market, okay? So it means that you have to change this market to 51s, as you can see right here. So the first thing that you need to do, you change this to 51s, market to over. Let me use my mouse so that we can tunaweza enda haraka. So the over market, it's an over 3 market, So the staking, it will depend on your account, okay? Na usistake sana, risk management is very important, okay? Hata kama uko na account ya 100 USD, anza tu na 10%, which is $10, okay? Of which hata utakuwa umerisk a lot. But because I usually conduct my analysis very well, you can maybe stake with the 10 to 20 USD, okay? Yeah, so long as umelewa endpoint yako vizuri, okay? So prediction unaweka 3, then it's very simple, okay? So the market will be very perfect. So unakuja hapa kwa analysis tool, you change this market to over under, unaweka hapa market ilikuwa ya 51s, or maybe any other market yenye utatumiwa, okay? So hapa hivi unaweza weka 800 ticks, okay? So 800, and you should be very keen usiweke hizo ticks vibaya, okay? So kama for example entry ilikuwa kwa 101 or 2, it means that you can enter with any of those digits. But no, I said that kama umeopt kuingia na 0, because unaweza ingia na any, okay? So kama unaingia na 0, make sure that the preceding digit before 0, or maybe ile digit itakutokea before 0 itokee, iko below your prediction, or maybe the prediction itself, okay? So it means that inaweza toka kwa 3 ikuje kwa 0, kwa 1 ikuje kwa 0, then kwa 2 ikuje kwa 0, or something like that, but sio itoke kwa 7 ikuje kwa 0 then ingilie market hapo, no, okay? So I hope kila mtu hapo tuko pamoja, okay? That is the over under market, okay? So let me cut this video. I'll be doing the next video on how you're supposed to time the even odd market, and that is the even, the odd market, and the under market, okay? Because right now nimekuonyesha venye unaweza time market ya over 3. I hope tuko pamoja. So don't try to miss out those entries, okay? So it's very simple. You need to understand the logic and you'll be good to go, okay? So it means that for example kama entry kwa 1, 3 kitokea, then assuming that we are trading over 3. So 3 kitokea, then 1 itokee, you immediately start your robot, okay? So ukipata signal, make sure umepata that procedure. Yeah, because nimepata complaints mingi that watu wana blow accounts because hawalewi easy endpoints. That is something that can happen, okay? Hata mimi huwa na mess endpoint, but you need to be consistent. Sio kila time unafaa miss your entry, okay? I hope tuko pamoja. So see you all at the top. Yeah, nikielezea zote hapa ita take a bit longer, so it's better I do the next video on the even odd market, okay? So let's keep trading on GreenPro.site. I'm sure that this month everyone will be profitable, okay? So let's try to be consistent. Usikule mtu wa kumake 10 USD today, tomorrow, or maybe 100 USD today, tomorrow you make 10 USD, or maybe you end up blowing the account. That is not trading, mtu wangu. So you need to be consistent, okay? So I'll be doing more strategies. In fact, today I'm going to meet one of the biggest traders in the country. So we'll be giving you guys the best strategies. So just stay tuned. Yeah, and expect more this month.